Everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your DCB Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge, and bring up the search bar and type in DCB Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.dcbbank.com. Just click on that first link. Now we will be taken to the official website of DCB Bank. At the right side of your screen, you can see the Login Now button. Just click on that Login Now button to log in. So you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of DCB Bank. Over here, you just need to enter your user ID. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. And once you click on Login button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Password to recover your password. If you want to see frequently asked questions, just click on Frequently Asked Question to see the questions. If you want to register for personal internet banking, just click on Register for personal internet banking. Similarly, in case if your internet banking is blocked, just click on Block Internet Banking Service. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.